Hi Dylan, I'm Fran.
Hi, I'm Sue.
And we're from Digi Wildflowers. We've been meaning to email you and let you know that the course has been immensely helpful and it has given us a lot of clarity. It has reduced the busy work where we would write notes and Google all kinds of things and we would be spinning our wheels, but now we have our blueprint.
So some of the components that we thought were going to be pretty overwhelming was the SEO and creating our listings properly. But in the course, we learned how to do that. And in doing that, and plus doing our customer profile that we hadn't really done before, we came up with an entirely new, different product that we wanted to sell. So we applied your strategies and we were able to create this listing and post it. And then within 2 hours, we got a sale on our first new product. So we were very, very excited about that.
And we've also seen an increase in traffic for our older listings that we had before. So things seem to be picking up. So we're pretty excited about that.
Especially since we've created a whole entire new product. It seemed daunting, it was challenging, but it really, the course really helped us get the point home, like on how to do how to basically work in Etsy properly so that we get all this organic traffic. So Thank you, Dylan. It's been amazing.
Yeah, I mean, working together, it's kept us on track together. And we've had so many, OMG moments where it's like, I can't believe it. This is so awesome. This program is just great. And we highly recommend it to anyone.
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
Thanks, Dylan.
Thanks, Dylan. Mwah.